You're watching a video on area and perimeter made by me, Mrs. Sumarna, on today, May 23rd, 2014. So, area and perimeter are some very important skills in geometry that you'll need to know. They deal with how much space is inside of a shape as well as how much space is around a shape. So, let's talk a little bit more about how to find these things. The first thing we're going to talk about is area. As you can see by the orange shading, area is the amount of space that is inside of a shape. So let's start by finding the area inside of this rectangle. Let's imagine that our rectangle is 2 inches by 3 inches. We want to figure out how many square inches would fit inside of this rectangle in order to find its area. A good place to start is to draw a picture. As you can see, I divided our shape into a grid, 2 inches by 3 inches. Does it look like anything that we've done before in class? I'm going to go ahead and pretend that you said an array. That's right, it looks like an array. Now we want to find the number of square inches that fit inside of that rectangle. So one way that we could do it really easy once we've drawn our picture is we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The area of this rectangle is 6 square inches. Another thing that we could do is we could use our addition. There were 2 rows of 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6. There were also 3 columns of 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is also 6. Best thing to do when trying to find area is to use your multiplication skills. We know 2 times 3 is 6. The area of our rectangle is 6. All right, moving on to perimeter. Now, perimeter is different than area because it's not the space inside that counts, it's what's around it. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. One thing that really helps me to remember perimeter is thinking of a little ant or an insect. Imagine that ant or insect has to walk all the way around something. How far would it have to walk? We're looking back at our same rectangle that was 2 by 3 inches. And we want to imagine that we're that ant, walking first 2 inches, then 3 inches, then 2 inches, then 3 inches more. That will find our perimeter. When we add them up, 2 plus 3, that's 5, plus 2, that's 7, plus 3, 10 inches. Our perimeter for that rectangle was 10 inches. Well, remember, today we talked about a very important geometry skill, and that is finding the area and the perimeter of a shape. Do you remember which is which? This one is the area. That one is the perimeter. You're right. All right, so I bet you'd like to learn more. Here's some resources that helped me, and they might help you too. Khan Academy always has really good math videos. Check it out. FunBrain, that's a great place to go to find some games so that you can practice finding the area and perimeter of some other shapes. YouTube, that also has good videos like Khan Academy, but what it really has that I love is that it has some songs and raps on area and perimeter to help you remember them. Hope you enjoyed our video, and I hope you learned a lot. Thanks a lot. Bye.